What made me leave a manager role in corporate was the fulfillment of seeing my own goal come successful. I told myself when I was 22, I wanted to work by myself. By the time I turned 35, and then going to work for corporate, you're going there fulfilling somebody else's goals, somebody else's dreams, somebody else's aspirations, and I'm like, why not me? So after becoming professionally frustrated, I began to dedicate my time on the weekends after working in corporate to start my lawn care business and wanting to see my name and my family have their own business. Just because we look at the other big companies that's out there, Microsoft and Apple and Beats by Dre, that doesn't mean that that can't be you. I wanted to provide a new generational standard for my family. And lawn care is something that I really enjoy. And it doesn't have to pertain just to lawn care, whether you want to do marketing or photo or video or music or whatever it is, you can do it as long as you step forth and have faith and have a solid plan and a nice support system